Yes, can you hear me? Class, can you hear me? Please let me know through chat window if my voice and screen both are clear to you people. Yes, Shahroz, बेटे आवाज आ रही है, स्क्रीन नजर आ रहा है सही आप लोगों को? Okay. Yes. Okay. Today we are going to complete the rest of the branches of biology. As I have just given, yes, right, beta, open the book on the page number. I don't remember the page number. I think it's again, yes, the branches of biology we were learning in our last class. Yes, page number 3. Everyone, please open the books on page number 3. We were going through the topic branches of biology. Look, we have learned 10 branches like morphology, anatomy, cell biology, histology, physiology, taxonomy, genetics, developmental biology, environmental biology, paleontology. Okay, till here we have learned. I'm repeating it again. What is paleontology? When we are studying or when we study about the remote past organic life, means if we study about those organisms, those living organisms which were alive so many years ago, but now they are extinct and they are not alive these days. None of their species are present, and if we learn about them in biology, it is called paleontology. Paleontology. Okay, with the help of fossils, as I have shown you the diagram as well. Just a minute. Look, paleontology. If we learn what is, just a minute. In the recent tab, if we are going to check it, what is paleontology, then we will learn about the fossils as well. Fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are the preserved remains. Fossils are the preserved remains of plants and animals whose bodies are buried in sediments. Means under the earth, whose bodies, the plants and animals which were died and their bodies are preserved under the earth so many years ago, like 10,000 years ago or so many years ago. These are now called as fossils. Okay, what are they called? They are called fossils. So in paleontology, the scientists, they study the preserved remains of plants and animals to learn about them. This is called paleontology. Now, next we are going to learn about the biotechnology, the study about the techniques for manipulation of gene to bring the changes in structure. Yes, science books are available, but only the biology book is available, Aisha. Actually, the chemistry and physics books, they are still not printed, so these two are not available on the bookshops. Maybe the school will provide you the handouts or the printout pages. Okay, when you will be here in the school in the next week, we will let you know that what are the strategies to continue the science study. Okay, so now let's focus on biotechnology. It is the study about the techniques when different techniques are used for the manipulation of gene to bring the changes in the structure and location of genes to achieve. Means if different techniques, different scientific techniques are being applied, let's suppose in the field of agriculture. Let's see if different techniques are being applied in the field of agriculture, so that we can get the better crops. Like here in this picture, you can see the tomatoes are being under the technology, they are being under the medical technology, so that their growth are better and we can get the better crops of tomatoes. Likewise, biotechnology is used in medicine to treat the patients. It is used in the field of food and sciences and so many more. So it everywhere the biotechnology is used to like agriculture, food, plant, the structure or changes in the DNA. So all these things are all these techniques when they are being applied for the betterment of living things, these technology this type of technology is called biotechnology, and it is used for the betterment of living organisms. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear, everyone? Yes, because we have as the population is grown a lot, so as the demand of food from the people, so to fulfill the demand of people for the food and living, scientists they apply different techniques to grow the amount or to get the abundant amount of food uh, in the field of agriculture to grow better crops. That's why the scientists they use technologies. This is called the biotechnology. Okay, next we are going to learn sociobiology. Sociobiology, it is actually the study of social behavior of living organisms, that is interaction between themselves. Like in the school, if you take example of a school, there are so many people are here, they interact with each other, like teachers, the students, peers, management, accounts staff, and so on. So likewise, in any society, when people depend on each other, they for their behavior, they survive and they interact with each other. This is called the sociobiology. Okay, in our environment, like if we are in some marketplace, we can see some buyers, some book shoppers, some sellers, some grocers. So these are everyone behave differently and we have to interact with them. This is called the sociobiology. Next is parasitology, the study of parasites. Can anybody let me know the definition of parasites? Yes, definition of parasites. Write down in the chat box what do you know about the parasites. What are parasites? Yes. Yes, everyone. Sumaya, Aisha, Zainab, Sheroz, Rumesa, Abid, Ramla. Can anybody let me know what is the meaning of parasites? What are parasites? Germs. Hanya, what type of germs? Okay, that is right. Yes, Shahroz written is the organism that harms the host. Yes, germs, all those insects, all those worms, all those microorganisms which which are dependent on the other living organism for their food and living, but in return they do not provide them any benefit. Yes, that harms the host. Take the benefit, but do not provide any benefit in return. Like lices and nits in the hair. What do? They suck the blood from the skin of the host, but they do not provide any kind of benefit. Likewise, mosquitoes, they are also parasites. Likewise, worms in the intestine of human beings. Bacteria, yes, bacteria, amoeba, right? Mosquitoes, viruses, like coronavirus. What is it? It is a deadly parasite. Coronavirus is also a parasite. We are very much familiar with coronavirus, this word nowadays since last whole year. Coronavirus is again a parasite. It is living on the living cells of the human beings and it harms them, takes the benefit from them, but do not provide any kind of benefit in return. Rather, it is, yes, Congo virus, rather, it is deadly. Right? Understood? Likewise, there are so many parasites which are dependent on not only on the human beings, on animals or on plants as well, and take the benefit from them but do not provide any kind of benefit in return. So if we study about them, yes, mushrooms, but Aisha, not all the mushrooms are parasites. Only those parasites. Actually, mushrooms are not parasites. They are some of their species are edible. We eat them, and some are deadly. They are poisonous in nature, but they are not dependent on other living cells. They are present in the forest in somewhere where the toads, the poisonous toads are present. I will show you the picture. Those mushrooms are called toadstool. What do they call? Toadstool. I'm writing here toadstool. Just a minute. This is the extra information I'm giving you people. This is called the yes. Just a minute. ये window थोड़ी सी मैं yes. Toadstool. Actually, what happens? Let's see toadstool. What are toadstools? Toadstools are those mushrooms on which the toads sit. On which the toads sit, and toads are poisonous. So what happens when the toads sit on them like these? These are the poisonous. Some of them are poisonous. Mostly are these are poisonous. Some of the species are edible. However, the here in this picture it's a toadstool. Toadstool, when the toads sit on them, they leave their poison over them. And when the people eat them, they get it poisonous and they die. That's why it is called toadstool or death stool. Toadstool or death stool. Toadstool, death stools. Okay. Stools means the place of sitting. Death stool. This type of thing is called stool. Okay. So toadstools. Toads are sorry, like toadstools are also called death stools. Okay, right? Understood? Got it? Yes, bitter in taste, no poisonous. In fact, they are poisonous. People can die if they eat them. If they consume them, they can die. So next is our next parasitology, the study of parasites. We have discussed, we have taken the examples. Now next is pharmacology. Pharmacology is it comes from the Greek word pharmakon, that is drug. Pharmakon means drug. The study about action of drugs. It is the study about the action of drugs, means when the people study about them, that which type of drug is suitable for which living structure or for which disease it can be used to treat. So what is the action of the different types of drugs or medicines? It is called, the field is called, the branch is called the pharmacology. Now the molecular biology. Molecular biology, it's the study of carbon containing compounds. All the carbon containing compounds are called organic molecules. When carbon is present and it is linked with hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, these are called organic molecules. And when we study them, and these organic molecules are present, just a minute, these organic molecules are present here, molecular biology is the field of biology that studies the composition, structure, and interaction of cellular molecules such as nucleic acid, proteins, amino acids, lipids, fats. Okay, carbohydrates, sugar, glucose, these all contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen molecules, and proteins contain nitrogen as well. So they are called biological molecules by which our cells are made up of, our DNA are made up of. Okay, so our cells, the organelles of our cells, our DNA, our genes are made up of molecules that are organic, like carbohydrates, like fats, like nucleic acid, like proteins. So if we study about them, this is called the molecular biology. Like here, everywhere, if we study the structure of our DNA, RNA, and so many other structures of sugar, glucose, or sucrose, enzymes, or the structure of how the cell structures are made up of, these are the molecules are called uh, organic molecules, and their study is called molecular biology. Got it? Got it? Marijuana is the gateway of all the drugs. Beta, Shadows, there is a difference between drug and the medicine. Though we call these types of substances drugs, but actually drugs are medicines. Okay, right. So everywhere when we study about the carbohydrates, that how the carbohydrates are made up of, what are the elements which are used like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, how the proteins are made up of, like proteins are made up of amino acid and molecular structure, molecular organic molecules. Let's see what are organic molecules. Organic molecules. Let's see all the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen containing compounds like glucose, like proteins, and during photosynthesis. Acha, यहाँ पे organic molecules, our DNA, RNA, are again made up of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. So these are the study of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. It's called molecular biology, and these are called the organic molecules. Likewise, so there are so many other elements which are also present in our body, but they are inorganic molecules. Only the carbon containing this type of structure is called organic structure. Okay, the compounds like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins, they contain this type of structure, and these are called the organic molecules. However, in our body, water is also present, but water does not contain carbon. It contains only hydrogen and oxygen. That's why it is inorganic compound. Okay, right? Got it? Understood? Okay. So just a minute. Here is another picture. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's it. So now take out your copies, everyone. Take out your copies. Show me your copy if you have labeled it for index. Yes, Sheroz. Yes, Sumaya. Sumaya, समझ में आ गया बेटे? Have you understood? Okay. Amna, have you understood? Ramla, Halima, Rida Rahim. Yes. Now I'm going to share. Your your written work with you people. Just a minute. Okay, now first I'm showing all those students who did not write down the index. Please write down the index quickly. Chapter 1, first of all, midterm in the bold letters. Label your index with biology copy of, obviously. Talha Adnan, are you going to do biology work in chemistry or physics copy? Make some sense. Okay. How many students are present? 33. Just 33 students are present right now. Okay, where is Hania? Yes, Hania Fahim, Halima, Haya, Faris Mehboob, Talha Adnan. Yes, everyone. Write down the index quickly. Today we are going to, I'm writing down the date. Today is 24th, 08, 21. Write down the date in the column for date, article serial number 1, and then question 1, 2 in classwork copy. We will try to do both the questions today, but if we are unable to do the question number 2, then we will complete it tomorrow in tomorrow's class. Yes, Cheryl, show the copy. Yes, Rida, right. Yes, Sumaya, Halima, show me the copy, beta. Good. Right. Okay. Okay. Now next, yes, Aisha. Yes, Aisha. Right. Okay. Now after the index, write down the first page, first title page, that is for midterm. Then slave on the next page, syllabus for midterm. Means this page for just after the index, midterm. Then on the next page, syllabus pasting for midterm. Then on the blank page, on the next blank page, write down, or you can write down on the single line page as well. If you are not intended to do on the blank page, you can write down on the single line page, introduction to biology, the chapter's name, introduction to biology, subtitle, question answers 7. There are some other tidbit exercises as well. In the end of the chapter, we will do them in the book, directly in the book. When you will be here in the school, we will continue with them. Okay. Now, have you all written the title and subtitle? Then on the single line page, write down today's date, classwork, and write down the question. Describe the following branches of biology. Describe the following branches of biology. I'm showing you this work from your book. I here on the screen. It is also the description are also given in the book as well. You can take help or you can note it down from the book as well. Okay, but first we have to mention particularly sociobiology, parasitology, pharmacology, molecular biology, morphology, physiology, taxonomy. There are 7 branches which you have to explain in question number 1, which you have to describe. So you can take help from the book. If you don't want to see on the screen, you can write them down directly from your book. I have taken them from the book. All these must be written right now, but very neat and tidy, and there should be no spelling mistakes. Question with black pen and answer with blue pen. Right, Aisha, good. Muhammad Ali, beta, show me the work, Muhammad Ali. Vanya, yes, good. Start writing. Yes, Aisha, good. Aisha, beta, start writing the definition of the first branch, that is sociobiology. Make heading in bold letters, and you can write directly from the book. Aisha, Iman Rashid, why the cameras are turned off? Ali Asif, Ayman Jahan, Fatma Nadeem, Talha Adnan. I can't see your work. It seems like I don't know how you people are doing your work. Yes, Ramla. Ramla, do you want to show your work? Yes, good. Okay, Ramla, from the book, or if you want to see it from the screen, it's up to you. I have taken it from the book. It's up to you if you want to copy it from the book directly. Show the question. Yes, just a minute. Asia, what was the index? Asia, first write down, just a minute. First write down, just a minute, class. Let me show the index to Asia. Asia, here is the index. The name of the chapter, introduction to first midterm, then introduction to biology. Don't write this. Home assignment number 2. Don't write this. Just the name of the chapter, then leave one line, write down today's date, serial number, question 1, 2, and class row. Okay. Got it, Asya? Now question is, describe the following branches of biology. I have written 7 branches. Means you have, out of 15, you have to describe 7 branches. Then number 1, sociobiology, the study of social behavior of living organisms, that is interaction between themselves. Then leave one line, make next heading, do very neat and tidy work, don't clutter of the work, just leave 1 or 2 lines in between each branch in description of each branch. Like after writing down till here, leave 1 or 2 lines, then start doing the next one. That is parasitology, the study of parasites. Okay, got it? Then pharmacology. Pharmacology, the study about action of drugs. Pharmacology, the study about action of drugs. Yes, Ramla? Done? Ramla, have you done? Okay, next is number 4, molecular biology, the study of organic molecules which constitute cell and its organelles. The study of organic molecules which constitute cell and its organelles. Yes, first heading is sociobiology. First heading is sociobiology. Hania, beta, we have to describe all these branches. Okay, so your first heading would be number 1, sociobiology, second heading, parasitology, then pharmacology. Wait, okay, parasitology, number 3, pharmacology, then molecular biology. Molecular biology, the study of organic molecules which constitute cell and its organelles. Today is not your homework day, Abdullah. Your homework day is on Thursday. The study of organic molecules which constitute cell and its organelles. Okay, next is morphology. The study of external form and structure of organisms. The study of external form and structure of organisms. The 5. Yes, Vanya, have you done? Yes, right. Beta, keep on doing, keep on doing. Don't wait. Class, keep on doing, don't wait. Yes, right, Vanya. Okay, pharmacology. The study about action of drugs. This is all which I have taken from the book. This is all I have taken from your book. You can copy it down from the book as well. If you have missed out some, then you can take help from the book. भी दिखा दें. Just a minute. Just a minute. This is the question. Arham, describe the following branches of biology. Then you have to write down vertically the names of these branches. Then you have to describe every branch. You can copy it down from the book. Okay. Beta, just 10 minutes are left. 9 minutes. 9 minutes are left. So please be fast. Okay, have you all done till here? Molecular biology, the study of organic molecules which constitute cells and its organelles. These carbon, hydrogen, oxygen containing compounds. These compounds are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, lipids, vitamins that we eat in our food, and they are when we eat them, they make our cell structure, okay, so that we grow. Of course, Shahroz, sorry, not Shahroz, Arham, you are asking, Miss, we have to write question 1 in index. We have to write question 1 and 2 both. We will try to complete question 2 as well, but if we won't have time, then we will continue it tomorrow in our class. Okay, morphology, the study of external form and structure of organs. Okay, next is physiology. Physiology, the study about functions of living organisms. The study about functions of living organisms. The study about functions of living organisms. Okay. Then taxonomy, the study of the rules, principles, grouping and naming the living organisms. The study of the rules, principles, grouping and naming the living organisms. Yes. Yes, Vanya. If any of the student missed out any work, Aisha, yes, Aisha, just a minute. Aisha, if you have book, you can take help from the book as well. Because I have copied everything from the book. Your notes are being taken from the book. Okay. The study of external form and structure of organism. Yes, everything. Yes, Aram. But if you don't write, it's okay. I only need the definition. Okay. So 7. Just a minute, Haya. Number 7, taxonomy, the study of the rules, principles, principles, grouping, and naming the living organisms. Class, we are not going to do question number 2 today because we haven't studied this topic, career in biology. So please, if you have written question number 2 in the index, just make a cut with a pencil. Don't overwrite or do something like with a pen. Just make a small cut over it, and we will do it in the next class. Okay, the study of the rules, principles, grouping, and naming the living organisms. Done. Just 5 minutes are left. I'm going back to the lesson. Okay. So have you all? I hope that you all have done the till here taxonomy. Now I'm going to share the lesson again. Okay. Now please open your books on page number 4. Everyone, open your books on page number 4 and who will read aloud? Halima. Halima, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, miss.
Start reading page number from your book. Start reading page number 4. Page number 4. Relationship of biology with other sciences.
Relationship of biology with other science. Biology is the multi-dimensional subject and linked with the other science. For example, the movement of animals follows the laws of motion in physics. Biology is considered as
Interdisciplinary. Discipline, we say discipline. So interdisciplinary science.
which is related with other science. Some of these are mentioned below.
Okay, just a minute. First of all, it is pronounced as biology, not biology. Okay, biology. Please speak up biology. Speak up again, Halima.
Biology.
Biology. Okay. Now, yes, continue. Just a minute, Ramla. Later on, I will give you a chance. Biophysics.
Physics. It is a branch of physics in which laws and techniques of physics are applied to explain the processes of life. The radiophysics branch where radioactive isotopes are used to trace the translocation of different materials within the organisms. Radio labeling and carbon dating also shows some uses of radioactive isotopes in determining the age of fossils. Uses of sound waves as ultrasounds and laser technology show relation of physics with biology.
Okay. Just stop it here. Acha, Ramla, now unmute yourself. Yes, Ramla, unmute your mic. And start.
Yes, miss.
Ramla, start reading from bio, mathematics and biometry.
Biomathematics. Okay, Biomathematics/biometry, the branch of mathematics which collects data of living organisms. It plays very important role in research. Biochemistry, it is branch of biology which deals with the study of molecules which form living organisms or cell and requires authentic knowledge about biology and chemistry to explain the synthesis of biomolecules.
To explain the synthesis. Synthesis means to make, to form. Okay, formation, manufacturing, synthesis. Synthesis of biomolecules.
Synthesis of biomolecules and function of different molecules in the body of an organism.
Okay, stop it, beta. Now next we will. What are isotopes? Yes, Aisha, I will explain what are isotopes. Isotopes actually, when tomorrow I will explain all such things, because right now we have very short of time, just few seconds are left. So I will explain all such things in detail tomorrow. Okay. Okay, get ready everyone for tomorrow's class. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.